here's how you can create a custom brush like this in Adobe Illustrator. So in case you don't have a graphic tablet or just want to create your own unique brush, something like this, here's how you can do it. So I'm going to first of all delete this one. Let's start all over. Okay, so in the left hand panel, here are my tools. I'm going to click on my shape tool, which is, this is my shape tool. Right click on it and pick my polygon tool. So I'll come to the middle of my artboard, hold my shift and drag over it. So now my polygon tool is drawn, but it doesn't have a fill color, it only has a stroke color. So I'm going to come down below here where we have this color, then swap it. So it's going to now have a fill color. So the next thing to do is I can use my selection to move it around. Okay, put in the middle like that. Then from here, I'm going to scale it down. Yeah, that looks good. So the next thing to do is to select this stroke, this shape here. Go to my Windows, brush. So here is all the brushes I have, but it doesn't include what I want specifically. So down below here, I'm going to click on this plus to create a new brush. So what kind of brush are we about to create? The art brush, that's what I'm going for right now. So I'll click on my OK. So these three options here, scale proportionately, that will help. Like if I'm drawing, it's going to scale the brush and probably make it lose the feature or the looks, which I don't want. And the second one is going to stretch it but still make it maintain the look of it. So I'm still going for this one, click on it and OK. So right now our brush is selected and I can choose this one, delete it, hit the B on my keyboard and start using my new brush. So you all see how good this brush is. So hopefully if this video was helpful, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Let's get these subscribers up so other people can learn. Thank you.